Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off your Roblox online status. First, open the Roblox application on your device or navigate to the Roblox website in your browser. Look for the gear icon, which represents the settings menu, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking this icon is your first step towards adjusting your privacy preferences and ensuring a more private gaming experience. Once you've clicked the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Privacy tab to access the specific controls for your online visibility and other personal settings. Within the Privacy tab, scroll down until you find the section titled Who Can See My Online Status? This is the key setting we need to adjust. You'll likely see a drop-down menu or a toggle switch next to this option. Click on it and select Nobody to completely hide your online presence from everyone, or choose Friends if you only want your friends to see you. After selecting your preferred option, ensure you save your changes. Sometimes, there's a Save button at the bottom of the page. Once saved, your online status will be updated according to your choice. This means you can now play Roblox without others knowing you are currently active, giving you more control over your privacy and a more comfortable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.